Wait for the start. He's got. Here we go. Deep second round. Down the slide he goes. Here's the advantage. Picks it up. Top of this. In front of Second career shootout attempts. Josh Harding bats again. Score! Patrick Kane on out. On to move. This year, Lillard has not seen a shootout this year. Shootout coming in. He scores! For goals this season. He's done it 8 times before. My goodness. And Sue with the first shot. It was not scored this year. In on Jose.